For today's art lesson, we are making marbled paper. Here we go. Marbled paper is paper that you place into some water that has both water and oil and color. And the water, the oil does not dissolve into the water. So that makes a negative space, and where there's color, it's saturated. So very easy. First we start with some water, maybe about an inch. Pour that into, I have some tinfoil pans. You can use pie plates, cake sheets, anything that works for you. Next, you're going to take some oil. I used Crisco oil. You can also use baby oil. And then you can also experiment. Some colors, I'm putting blue in. I'm going to see what happens when I add yellow to that. So put a few drops in, use a stick, a spoon, give it a big stir. It's not easy to get these to meld together, so you have to really work it. But if they don't meld in together too, it's also a very nice effect. So you can try that, get it all going. I was going for green with yellow and blue. Let's see if I need to add a little bit more yellow and see what happens. What would happen if I added blue and red? We can experiment with colors as well. So this is not only an art experiment, it is a science experiment. After you've mixed them together as best you can, pour it in to your water and see what happens. Does the oil mix in with the water? What does it do? Does the color mix in with the oil? Oh, I think I see some yellows coming, and I think I also see a lot of green. We did make green. Next, take some paper and put it on top. See what happens. Just float it on the top. Give it a second for it to saturate. Look how beautiful the patterns are on that. Almost looks like ice. And pick it up and put it down. You can also use a stick or a toothpick to make it swirl and to get different patterns. You can do another dip. You can also add different colors after you've done your first one. Put it down, see what happens. It takes a while for these to dry out because of the oil. After you're done, it might be fun going over it with an oil pastel.